Tired of juggling between Follow-Up Boss and Dotloop, manually entering data and feeling overwhelmed? Let's dive into how to seamlessly integrate Follow-Up Boss with Dotloop, streamlining your real estate transaction management in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Follow-Up Boss account. Then, click on Admin in the main menu located on the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find the integration settings. On the admin page, navigate to the integrations section and click on it. This will display all available integrations. Scroll down until you find Dotloop. Click on the Dotloop logo to initiate the integration process. You'll now see a page dedicated to the Dotloop integration. Click the Connect button. This will redirect you to Dotloop. You will need to log into your Dotloop account, enter your Dotloop username and password, then click Sign In. Dotloop will ask you to authorize Follow-Up Boss to access your account. Review the permissions requested and click Approve to grant access. You'll be redirected back to Follow-Up Boss. You should now see Dotloop listed as a connected integration, with options to customize the data synchronization. Configure your desired settings. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Follow-Up Boss with Dotloop. Enjoy the streamlined workflow and increased efficiency.